Hi, in this presentation, I am going to talk about the therapeutic applications of the laser. Before moving on to laser devices, we need to know what a laser is. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Lasers are monochromatic, powerful beams that can be carried over long distances without scattering. They can also be transported by optical fibers. This makes it possible to operate inside the body without the need for major surgical interventions. All these features have led to the widespread use of lasers in medicine. And there are different types of lasers used for various applications in the medical field. The laser types to be used may differ depending on the treatment and the device. These are the most common ones, such as helium neon laser, argon laser, carbon dioxide diode, and fiber lasers. As we have discussed, the laser delivers high intensities of coherent light. By using different types of lasers, devices in the biomedical field can be developed and contribute to the treatment. Now I'm going to talk about the applications of the laser. One of the application area is surgery. In surgery, lasers used for coagulation, vaporization, and cutting. The biggest advantage of laser surgery is sterilization of the surgical field during tissue incision. The non-touch technique, which is a dry surgical field, reduces bleeding and reduces post-operative pain and edema. The carbon dioxide laser remains the gold standard for soft tissue surgery due to its simultaneous photothermal ablation and ease of coagulation. In urology, lasers are used to treat many defects. They are often used during lithography, which is the breakdown of kidneys and gallstones. In the treatment, a special instrument, which is a ureteroscope, is inserted through the urinary canal to reach the kidney. With this device, the stone is found and displayed. With the laser fibers passing through this tool, the stones are broken. After this process, the stones become like sand and are thrown out of the body. Thus, it provides a painless method for the patient. In dentistry, powerful lasers that produce short wavelength radiation are used instead of dental drills. The use of lasers in dentistry has many advantages, such as reducing swelling when performing surgeries in the airway. In ophthalmology, the laser is a very essential therapeutic application. Ophthalmology requires the ability of a laser beam to enter the eye without causing an injury. Laser photocoagulators can repair detached retinas much more quickly than conventional photocoagulators. With that application, the risks of retina damage can be minimized. Today, lasers are necessary for effective and minimally invasive microsurgery of the eye. The most well-known application is cataract surgery. Lasers are used in the treatment of cataracts and take advantage of the extremely high peak power densities to efficiently disrupt tissue with minimal surrounding thermal damage. Treatment involves the removal of the lens for a prosthetic replacement. In dermatology, many skin conditions are treated with lasers, such as vascular and pigmented lesion scars, sun-damaged skin, and bed sores. For example, with the help of a laser Doppler flow meter, burns on the skin can be detected and treatment can be decided. With this device, the movement of red blood cells in the vessels can be observed. The light is reflected by the red blood cells. Thus, a change of frequency can be seen with the Doppler effect. Since it can also be used as a non-invasive method, it provides many advantages. In oncology, lasers are trying to treat very early stage of certain cancers. They can be used to shrink or destroy tumors. It can also be used to relieve certain cancer symptoms such as bleeding or blockades. Laser radiation is even being studied in the clinic for the analysis of tissue and fluid samples from patients and for the in vitro diagnosis of malignant tumors. Lasers are not enough to treat cancer. They should combine with the chemo and radiotherapy to provide an effective treatment. Therapeutic laser applications are used in many fields such as orthopedics or neurosurgery as well. There are many other areas where lasers are used in the medical field. I have talked about the most basic and useful ones. Thanks for listening.